Hi PED 115 students, my name is Meg and I'm your instructor for this course. I just wanted to touch on a couple key points that I'd like you to focus on this first week to 10 days of the course. So first off, if you haven't so far, please make sure that you complete the Getting Started module. In order to do that, just go to your modules. And you're going to make sure you read over the syllabus, which is extremely important. You can access that over here where it says syllabus. You're going to complete the syllabus acknowledgement. You're also going to complete the PHS form. Make sure when you're doing this that you're downloading the form to your computer, saving it, filling the form out, saving it again, and then re-uploading it to Canvas. I know that can be a little bit tricky, so we do have a short video. If you click on right here, the pre-participation health screening, there is a little video here posted for you to kind of help you out with that. And then the other thing that you need to make sure that you submit this week is in the week 1 module, the SMART Goals assignment. So 3 main things: your syllabus acknowledgement, the PHS form, and then your SMART Goals assignment. All of that needs to be turned in before Friday at 11:59 p.m. in order to stay in this course. So you need to complete all 3 of those things to remain active. Okay. After you complete those things, then it's time to kind of get started on the rest of your course work, which every week will look very similar to how week 1 works. You are going to be required to complete 1 academic assignment each week. For week 1, that was the SMART Goals assignment. And generally speaking, your modules will open first thing on Monday morning, and they will stay open through Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So Monday morning at 12 a.m. they open, and they're open through Sunday at 11:59. That's the time period that you have to be working on each week's modules. So first week's module assignment was the SMART Goals assignment. Okay? After you complete that, you also have activity quizzes. We're recommending that you complete somewhere between 2 and 3 activity quizzes each week, which will basically mean each activity quiz is 1 hour worth of credit towards your grade. So the SMART Goals assignment that you completed was that 1 hour, and then each activity quiz you complete will be another hour towards your grade. So we're really recommending that you get somewhere between 3 and 4 hours each week to stay on track in order to pass the course by the end of the semester. If you would like to, you are able to earn 7 hours per week in this course. So that would mean 1 SMART Goal assignment and then 6 activity quizzes. Please note that your activity quizzes, you can only complete 2 per day, meaning that don't wait until the end of the week on Friday and go in and submit all of your pictures and all of your activity, physical activity that you completed for the week. Okay, do it as you go. So on Monday, if you work out, make sure Monday night you're submitting your hours. On Tuesday, if you work out, submit 1.2 activity quiz on Tuesday. Okay, maybe you skip Wednesday so you don't fill anything out for Wednesday, and then Thursday, if you decide to work out again, make sure you fill out that 1.3 activity quiz. So you'll just keep moving on down and submitting the activity quizzes for the activities you're completing each week. Remember, no more than 2 a day, and also no more than 7 total hours towards your grade a week. So that would be the 1 academic assignment and then the 6 activity quizzes. Another key highlight of this course is if you have any questions about student resources, things you might need, not understanding Canvas, not understanding any of the COVID responses, anything like that, there is a tab over here, Student Resources. If you click on that, that is managed by GCC and Maricopa Community Colleges. So you will get help with your Canvas resources, your technology help. All of these things will take you right to the direct links that you may need. Here's some COVID resources. So anything that you may need from the campus resources, please note that that is also listed in Canvas for you. Other key topic is your inbox over here. Make sure you're sending me messages with any questions, comments, or concerns you may have about the course. I will send you a variety of little notes and messages on your graded assignments and your graded activity quizzes, so please make sure you're reading those. And then make sure you're reading the posted announcements. I will post several announcements each week, so please make sure that you are staying up to date and reading those announcements. A good rule of thumb is to log into your course. If you can log in every day for announcements to check, that's ideal. If not, every other day would be ideal. Okay, and remember, to stay active in this course, you have to do your required one academic assignment every single week. And those modules open first thing Monday morning and are open through Sunday night. So I look forward to working with all of you this semester. If you have any questions or need any help, just go over here to your inbox and make sure you shoot me a message.